Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. I'm Bye Money, and you're watching live Emini trading every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Welcome. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Let everyone know that we are here, ready to trade, focused. What's the plan today, pandas? The plan is simple. So easy. Stick to the plan. That's the plan today. The plan is stick to the plan. Lou the writer, good morning. Cracks, good morning. Black Light, Gypsy, welcome. Peter Cho, welcome. GC Burke, welcome. Don Smith, welcome. Blue Steel, welcome. Phil X, good morning. JK, good morning. JK says today's plan is to eat bamboo. That will happen. That is a necessary consequence when sticking to the plan. The accounts are suffering a little bit, pandas. I'm not gonna lie. They're hurt a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit hurt. But pandas, it's all good. It's all good, pandas. Still very healthy. We're up 1,700 on most of our accounts. More than 1,700. Will I make it to payouts? I don't know, pandas. Today was technically the first day of request. But will I get there? I'm not going to force the issue, pandas. I'm not going to force the issue. I'm just going to let things happen as they happen, pandas. FZN, welcome. Thank God it's Friday. Friday. We're happy for Mondays. We're also happy for Fridays because that means we get to go into the weekend. Get to reset that mental capital. Boy, oh boy, pandas. I'm just telling you right now. We gotta stay focused because the last couple days have been horrid in terms of price action. Look at this nonsense for the last 2 weeks of trading. This is the 5-minute chart exclusively. Choppy day. Weird day. Turn to chop. Okay, yeah, this is actually kind of a trendy day, but ends up having a lot of chop. Crazy choppy day here. Finally breaks out at the end of the day. So you got 2 weeks of just pure choppiness during the regular trading hours. And hey, if you survive the last 2 weeks, boy oh boy. I mean, let's say you probably have matured. You probably grew some hair on your chest. You probably have seen some things. If you got busted the last 2 weeks, you're probably in good company because the price action has been very difficult. Very difficult to trade. I'm coming out relatively unscathed. Coming out essentially break even here. Coming out essentially break even. Sorry, pretty much coming out break even here the last 2 weeks, and I've been break even for essentially 2 weeks straight. It makes sense because the price action has shown itself to be like that, but for me, I think it just really shows what market cycle I really like. I need strong trending. I need some volatility. If there's like low volume days, it's just very difficult for me. Very difficult. Black Light Gypsy, Zookeeper. China's calling. They want me back. Pierre Cho said, PRs are green. Evals are about break even. All right. Also, I blew 5 evals in the slot. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm honestly, rest in peace for those who blew their PAs. Let me put a poll up so you guys know. put a poll up so you guys can see, and it's anonymous, so you guys can just freely post up there. But just be honest, because I would not be surprised if a lot of people busted their PAs. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people busted their PAs the last 2 weeks. More than a poll, this is really just a tally, a counter of how many people busted PAs and how many people busted their evals. What about none? Oh, I should have put a thing there, but fortunately, I did not. These are just for people who busted in. Daily chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high. You're thinking always in long, but outside bar here, big wick here. I don't know. Might turn sideways. The only other trade I really took after stream. So as we know, Big Mama, oh man, broke so many times. First attempt fails here. Second attempt, skunk. Third attempt, get hit. Fourth attempt, skunk. Fifth attempt, skunk, but that one works. The fifth attempt finally works for 5+ more points. Big Mama works yesterday for at least 2.5 points, but basically almost 5 points. But the only trade I took after stream was the second entry long here that fails. Super frustrating. You get a nice push down here, big push up here, and second entry long. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry, and then traps me. So I get hit there. So at the end, it is what it is. It's a curse, pandas. I'm telling you, it's a payout curse. Every time we get close to PAs, withdrawals, the PAs become so freaking choppy, so incredibly choppy. It just prevents you from getting past that threshold. Telling you, it's a curse. It's a curse. The price action just gets so choppy, so difficult to trade. We have news today. GC Burke, yep, reminding us that we have PMI at 10 a.m. PMI can really move the markets. I'm ready for some fireworks at PMI, but we'll see what happens afterwards. I'm not going to trade PMI directly unless you have evals. And this is what I mean, that I hope you guys stocked up on BBM 90 evals, because if you didn't stock up, then if you busted your accounts, what are you going to do? You got to twiddle your thumbs, I guess. But if you have them stocked up, if you pass or fail your evals, you'd be in a place where you can continue to trade. And stock up on a point where you can trade a couple of news events, especially if you have especially if Apex announces they're not going to release BBM 90 codes for a long time. It's like they give you a fair warning, might as well have stocked up on them. So hopefully you did. If you didn't, then you still have BBM 80 for 71% off. Honestly, you can use any of the codes, BBM 50, BBM 80, BBM 90, whichever code. It doesn't matter. It'll just run whatever promo is going on right now. So 71% off is not bad. I think you're almost better off at this point just doing 50% off resets. That might be similar price, essentially, from buying new accounts. Or the thing about resets is that they don't... You still have your renewal date at the same time, so it doesn't change the renewal date. If you purchase new ones, then that actually changes the renewal date. But at the end, you gotta look at the price. The price really, I think, is the most important thing there. Unless you're in that scenario where it's that awkward scenario where if you can pass it in 7 days exactly, and you gotta weigh the cost benefit, I guess. Good morning, guys. Jessica Crow, welcome. Lee A, welcome. Danny Boy Trader, welcome. Good morning, good morning. Happy Camper. Kelly Ann in the house. Welcome. F Zen, welcome. Powell will talk today as well. Yes, so there's news. Let's go over news real quick before market opens. Market's open in about 3 minutes. We got ISM, manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. And then 11 a.m. you got Powell speaking. At 2 p.m. you got Powell speaking. So he's kind of speaking twice. I don't know what really he's speaking on. They'll just post on the Forex Factory if Powell speaks regardless. So he could be talking. He could be reading his personal diary. It doesn't matter if he's speaking. The Forex Factory will put it up there. He could be reading the dictionary for all we care. But if he's speaking, you want to be aware of that. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Just ain't right. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. Bill 7 says they won't have 90% off. Maybe they'll have a 94% off. Second entry short here, but clear underneath the 20-minute. Too close to market open. And we have news at 10 o'clock. Could be choppy until then. I just wouldn't be surprised if we kind of stick around the previous day's close so we can fill the gap. Right, the gap on the 5-minute chart. Luffy, welcome. Welcome back, guys. If you guys see in the poll, there's just so many people who busted PA, so many people who busted evaluations. And if you are like really depressed and sad about it, I get it. It's sad. It's always sad. It always stings a little bit. But I think you gotta be able to shake it off and really see anytime account gets busted, you gotta gain as much as you can from every. Those PAs sacrifice their lives for you, so you can learn to trade better. So better take those PAs' lives, that sacrifice, and use it to the fullest. Make sure you learn as much as possible and don't make the same mistakes again. These good innocent PAs sacrifice their lives just so we can one day become full-time traders. I don't know. Whatever your goals are. 15 seconds till market opens here. Also, make sure you're watching live. The live button should be red, and if it's red, watch in 2x speed to make sure you're caught up as much as possible. I'm down to take a fail second entry short here. We're pushing above 20 minute now. I'll take this trap here.
10,000 tick trap.
Right, break a trend, new low, bounce on 240 SMA. Coming up to the previous day's close. It's a good target as well. Right, you got kind of like a double support here. Pushing. See if we can time this right. Ooh, that's a bad looking signal bar. It's getting quite choppy as well. I'm gonna set my pause on that. That looks really ugly, to be honest. Really ugly looking price action right now. Right now these bars are overlapping. Okay, getting a little green here. Potential trap trade. Oof, very hard to time this. All right, I'll try. Right now we got a bull bar in this trap trade. See if we get any bamboo here. I like the trap breaker trend to new low. Break a trend, new low, and then we got to get back to the previous day's close. Good target here to hit. Let's see if we get it. Doji bar here created. That's not good, right? And the risk is very small. It's less than 2 points, the risk, which I don't mind. Okay, it's gonna hit me here, unfortunately.
10,000 tick.
I like the setup. I don't mind losing that. It's all good. I don't mind losing that. But we're just kidding. Loser after loser after loser. Trap triggers on 10,000 tick chart could be a big flush down here. Just take the hit. Move on. Next trade. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. All right. Get hit. You guys just take the proper stop loss there and just move on. That's a potentially good trade, right? You got break a trend new low coming off 2 supports here. And you got a gap to fill. I don't mind taking the trade and losing it. It's just a good, I think good price, good risk reward, good probability. And it is what it is. What ends up happening is this. You spike. Channel actually now. Break a trend, new low. New low's created. Potential big move here on the 10,000 tick chart. Good signal bar on that trap trade here. And I could have reversed my trade. I wasn't really thinking about it, but been a good reversal here. You already made a 1-to-1 on the reversal. And, it's just hard for me to trade away from the, this open here from the 5-minute. You're thinking it wants to try to fill that gap here. And had good targets up above. So it is what it is. I'll take another attempt here on a failed second entry. Short. Basically exact same setup I'm looking for. I'm looking for the exact same setup here as right here. Let's see if we get another attempt here. I wouldn't mind. I would take it again. I think it's a good place. Right, we lose, the risk reward. I mean, it's not even 2-point risk, pandas. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about losing a trade. It's part of the plan. Part of the plan. You gotta take the good setups when you see it. Let's see here. Let's see if we get our setup though. The new one we're looking for. Trap trade here. I don't like it. We already made a new low. So I'm not looking for a short trade now. But we're still underneath the 20 EMA, so it could be a big push down here still. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this makes a scalp or just continues a downtrend. Adjusting my legs. Still looking for the setup though. Okay. Having a hard time pushing above the 20 EMA here. I think the market's trying to show its colors here, showing its cards. Showing that we're just having a difficult time breaking above the 20 EMA on the 2000 tick chart. I think it's trying to show us how bearish we really are. By the time we know that's too late, right? By the time we know that's going to be late in trend. Inside bar created on 10K chart. Just watching. Market, or there is news again at 10 o'clock, so this could be choppy until then. Regardless, I'll still wait for the setup here. Potential second entry short here. I want this to go a little bit higher. All right? I want this second entry short to trigger above the 20 EMA. That'd be ideal.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. See if we get the setup that I'm looking for. Hopefully we do get a setup to enter here. Okay, big strong bull bar. Big bull bar ending on its high. Oh man, this is looking like a good trap trade here. If we can get it. Let's see though, pandas. Let's see. Potentially good setup here. Again, just like this one. Looking for the same thing here. Feels like entry short. Ooh. If it triggers here, pandas. Your boy might go heavy here, but let's see. Feels like entry short. Let's see if we get it. What I'm scared about, my FOMO's kicking in, saying that I just want to get in here, but I want to wait for my setup. Because that's what we do here, pandas. We stick to the plan. We stick to the plan.
10,000 tick trap.
Are we getting our setup, pandas? Are we getting it? Just keep it 2. Keep it at 2. I'm gonna run 1. Scalp 1, run 1. We're in a trap trade. Beautiful setup, pandas. That is prime. That's an A+ setup for me. This is an A+ setup. So what that means is that it's gonna fail immediately. I was waiting for this setup. Fail second entry. Short here, coming right above the 20 EMA, and also after the break a trend new low. It looks like it might get me here though, pandas. I mean, if it does, it is what it is. Again, I can't skip these setups. It's very good. Very good looking setups. I gotta try at least. You gotta try. When you see a good setup, you gotta try. Again, trying to fill the gap here. Ooh, doji bar. It gives you some credence to maybe just get out because of the doji. Also, we have news at 10, so again, maybe it's just good to wait for the news until you trade. But this looks like it's getting a little sus here. Definitely a little sus with this doji bar coming back down, making this bear bar. Maybe tick shot me here, which would be unfortunate. I really hate to see it. But if it does happen, it happens. We move on. Next trade. Again, small risk. Just a little over 2 points. I don't mind taking these trades because I like the setups. I think they're good looking setups, pandas. And come up break even here because we got a reversal, but I'm going to hold this because I like the setup still. Strong bull bar, 5-minute chart, trying to fill that gap, hopefully. I'm holding. 1-to-1. It's a 1-to-1 trade. Can I go for more than 1-to-1 here? I'll do it with the runner. I'll just do it with the runner. We'll go 1-to-1 on the half the position, and we'll try to see if we get a runner here. Gotta hold through that. Gotta hold through this, pandas. Gotta hold. Gotta at least get a 1-to-1 here. If it doesn't happen, then it's just a bad trade, and you gotta move on next trade. Thank you next. You know what I mean? That needs to be your theme song. Thank you next. Either that or I can hold with 2 contracts, try to get to the previous day's close with 2 contracts. Let's go, baby. Gotta hold it, pandas. Even though you see these terrible red bars. 2-to-1 here. Let's see if we get a 2-to-1 on our runner. Hopefully we can create a little more space here. It's getting a little choppy though. Right, I took my risk off, so can't really lose on this trade anymore. But if I don't get this runner, then I'm gonna still be red after that first loss. It's unfortunate. It's all good though. I mean, you got a chance the runner here. I think the runner's worth it. It's just I don't think I can hold it beyond my original risk, my original entry. Maybe I could do this to give me a little slightly better chance here. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold this just because it is what it is. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I gotta look for the runner here. I gotta have the chance for a runner because of this strong reversal pattern. And the runner is free money. So if I don't make money here, it's okay. All right, this is like quote unquote free money. Technically, it's money I've made. And I'm losing. I'm losing all this money here now that I've had in my pocket. But it's all good, Panis. You gotta hold it for the potential runner. If we break the previous high, I'm turning Super Saiyan on. If we break this high, Super Saiyan mode. Almost. Almost. I almost feel like there's no reason to even stop my runner at 2-1. Let's just raise this to the heavens. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Ooh, micro triple top. You gotta hold it, Pandas. You gotta hold the runner. You gotta make money on the runners when they're there. It's part of the plan. It really is. Unfortunate thing is it might bring me into the news. Oof, I wouldn't like that. I want Super Saiyan mode. When we break these highs, I'm turning Super Saiyan on. What is this? It's been a long time since we got like a nice juicy runner, Pandas. It's been a long time since we just got like this infinite runner. Maybe we'll get it here, who knows? Just holding, just holding. It looks like it wants to take me out though. It keeps flashing this red bar at me. How rude, right? How rude it flashed me like that. Ooh. In my end green. Oh, Pandas. I mean, strong bull bar, 5-minute chart. Ending on its high. You're thinking always in long trading today, Pandas. Pandas! Super Saiyan! 5-minute chart, strong bull bar, ending on its high. Always in long trading. Nothing to worry about. We're going to ride this to the heavens, Pandas. We're riding this one to the heavens. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Oh, 2-1 just made. 2-1 just made, but I want more, Pandas. I want way more than that. Uh-oh. I'm going to not get more than that. I'm hoping, Pandas, this is the one. This is the chosen one. You know what? I should have gotten out because of news. No, we'll hold it. I don't know if I can hold it into news, though, Pandas. I don't know if I can hold into news. I'll come out 2-1. The news trade at 10 o'clock, that's the problem. A strong bull bar, 5-minute chart. I mean, you're just thinking this is going to keep going up for a long time. Like, really, potentially for a very long time today. Like, and never look back. Really never look back. Could be one of those days, Pandas. Should we chance it? Should we chance it? What do I have to lose? Really, what do I have to lose? It's not like I'm at Payout City yet. It's not like I'm at Payout City. Big push down. All right. 2-1. That's what most people wanted, I guess. Still Super Saiyan. I mean, we're going to be Super Saiyan until we end this. Either I get stopped out at break even, +1, or we make this monster runner here. One or the other. There is no in between, pandas. There is no in between right now. What should my target be for this runner? Pandas, where do you want this runner to be? I'm thinking always in long 5-minute chart, hopefully. Hopefully always in long. Hopefully we don't get a pullback here. Second entry long here, forming. That's not good. I mean, it's okay. Let's see, though. Let's see. I really would hate for this to push down. Ooh, second entry long, pandas. If this second entry long triggers, pandas, that's going to be crazy. This is going to be crazy. The only problem is I don't know if I can hold into news. I don't want to hold into news. I really don't. Maybe I'll stop out right before news. I'll just end it right before news. I don't want to be in a trade during news because I don't want to get like dinged on my PA counts. But 12 more minutes till news. 11 more minutes. Ooh. Second entry long, pandas. Pandas! Second entry long. A, B, C. Boom! Blast off. Blast off right here. Second entry long, blast off. Just watch. Just watch. Get ready, pandas. Get ready. Get ready for the blast off. Or not. It's just storing up energy for the blast off, pandas. Get ready. Just storing up energy. Just watch. It's just storing up all this energy for the blast off. Get ready, pandas. Get ready right here. Get ready for the blast off. Are you ready, pandas? Second entry long. Pause bar on the 5-minute chart. Thinking always in long still. 5-minute chart still looking good. 5-minute chart still looking very hot to go long. Get ready for the blast off. Get ready for the blast off. Blast off. Get ready. Just get ready, pandas. Get ready for the blast off. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Now. Now. Launch. Alright, countdown. 3, 2, 1. What? That is the opposite. No! No! What's happening? No! Why? Why? Why can't you just give me a runner? Just once. Just once. Oh, it's looking ugly now, pandas. Oh, no! Got a little bamboo there, though. Whatever. You know what? It's because of news trade. What can you do? What can you do? Oh my. No way. Does it take me out? Tick shots me? Don't tell me this tick shots me. Pandas, don't tell me that tick shots me. Pandas. That tick shots me, doesn't it? Pandas! Oh my. Tick shot. No way. No way tick shots me. There is almost nothing more tilting than a tick shot. Pandas. Pandas, if this blasts off now, oh my goodness. The anger. So much anger. Oh my. Oh. So much anger. If this blasts off right now, Pandas, I cannot tell you how angry I'm going to be. So much anger right now. Maximum anger. Oh my. Oh my goodness, Pandas. If this blasts off now, after tick. Pandas. 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 Why? Why? What in the world? No! You know what the worst part is, Pandas? I actually moved my stop loss from break even to break even. Like, this was break even. I moved it to break even +1 just to use these as, you know, use this pivot low as my stop loss. And that was actually tick shots me. If I kept it actually just right at break even, I would be safe still. I'll still be in this trade. Pandas. Is there anything more tilting than that? A tick shot? I don't know, Pandas. It's hard to find something more tilting than that. I might as well just wait till after news now. Whew. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't know why it doesn't work the first time. Very frustrating. Even my tilt meme is making me tilt. Whoo, Panda. All right, you know what makes me feel good? Let's look at my sub count. This always makes me feel good. We're at 19,987 subs. 13 away from 20K. 13 subs away, Pandas, from 20K. Can you believe it? Can you believe I got tick shotted? But at least I'm at 20K subs. You gotta look at the bright. You gotta look at the bright side of things, Pandas. At least I'm at 20K subs. Whoo! This is gonna blast off this higher low here. But now we're so close to news. I don't want to enter a trade. Pandas. Oh my! Got tick shotted. I can't. I'm potentially losing. I'm gonna lose like $1,000 to that tick shot. Really, could be $1,000 runner, 20-point runner here. Right, 20 points on the Emini is $1,000 for one contract. This has the makings of a huge bull move. Boy, oh boy, Pandas, I want to get in long. I want to get in long here. I may go in long with a trap trade, but it's so close to news. I think I gotta wait for news, Pandas, which is unfortunate. I'll take Big Mama here. Let's just say that. This is my small silver lining is Big Mama here right now. I, in a sense, want this to crash back down, so I know I didn't get tick shotted. I did not just get tick shotted. Okay, I want this to reverse. I'm sorry, Pandas. If you're still in this runner, I don't care. I want this to reverse and take you all out. I want to take all you guys out. Okay, I take that back. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money. I take it back. I take it back. That's rude. That's mean. So easy. So simple. So close, Pandas. 20K subs. Oof. Trap trade, Pandas. I almost want to go long here. I actually want to go long here, but it's getting so choppy at this point. I'm going to wait for news. I'm just going to wait for news now. I'm just going to wait for news, and if it happens, it happens. But, man, that is a good-looking trap. In a sense, because it actually tick shots me here, it actually makes me feel like it's a higher chance to go up. Because there's a small gap here now. Teeny little gap that's not filled. Right, 2 tick gap. That's how I feel. But a gap is a gap, right? That shows strength. And when it retests, it doesn't even come back to fill the gap. It's pretty important to recognize that. This is why this might really go up here. I kind of want to go long. I really want to go long here. We're so close to news, pandas. I'm just going to sit on my pause. Mainly because I don't want to be in a trade during news. Man, pandas. You know what? Regardless, I don't think I would. I don't know. I would have gotten out of the trade during, like, before news anyway, so. I just have this one trade set up at Big Mama. Let's see if we get it. Got shot right in the tick. Right in the tick. Man, tick shots, man. There's nothing more tilting than a tick shot. Five-minute looks so bullish, pandas. I cannot tell you how bullish the 5 minute looks right now. 5 minute looks so incredibly bullish. 5 minute charges bull bars ending on their highs. 1, 2, 3 bars ending on their highs. I can't tell you how bullish that looks right now. The problem is people are not buying the close. One more minute to news. One more minute to news, pandas. This poll is dead. Oh, this is gonna blast off, isn't it? It's gonna blast off here. It's gonna blast off here. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss the whole move. Pandas. This is. I'm just doing this as a show. I'm not really that emotional when it comes to trading. It's just for content, alright, pandas? I'm not actually that upset. I'm happy. I'm calm, cool, collected. 30 seconds. News is gonna blast off here. It's so choppy. It's like it's getting ready to explode. And I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up. If I had to choose, go up. I had to choose a direction. Blast off. There it is. Unfortunately, I mean, it's not like I can hold it through the news, but it is what it is. This looks so bullish. It looks so bullish. You can see that a mile away. That blasts off to the upside. But it's not very many points. It's not even 5 points, so it's nothing too serious. Actually, now it's a little mixed here.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, interesting. That's a little surprising here. Still waiting for Big Mama to trigger.
10,000 tick trap.
Oof. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Jerome Powell will be speaking at 11 as well. Let's see if we get Big Mama. I mean, daily chart, right? Strong bull bar ending near its high. You're thinking follow through here. Second entry long, perhaps. Pandas. I really, truly got tick shotted here. It doesn't even come back to fill this gap. It's a true tick shot. It's a tick shot of tick shots. Big mama about a trigger here. It's a little overextended, but I think still looks good. Strong bull bars on all time frames almost. Let's see if we get a nice little 5-point move here. And essentially this will make up for the loss I had yesterday with Big Mama. The 5-minute chart just looks ridiculous.
$10,000 tick trap.
Quite a strong reversal here, unfortunately. You know, you don't want to see it. You want to stay above the 20 minute here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Looking for a second entry long here. It's beneath the 20 EMA, but still looking for the second entry long. In this trade. It's about to trap me here. So frustrating. Still tilting, you know, all of the trades. Getting tick shotted here and then trying to get in this long on super strong uptrend. Can't even make a second entry long here. So frustrating, pandas. Cannot even make a second entry long. It's a higher low. I'm not going to double my entry here. It's just super frustrating. We're one tick away from getting stopped out. This could still work, but so frustrating that I have to see this price action here. Come out break even on that second entry long, possibly. I'm just holding on to this. Big Mama is Big Mama. You gotta just take Big Mama as it is. No change in that. If anything, come up break even here on the initial trade here. Let's hope it's enough room here. So frustrating to see that. I just need this to go. I need this to blast off here. I need to really blast off here. Takes me out. Takes out my second entry long. I don't know what's happening here, pandas. I could have scalped out 2 points maybe there. Okay, came off break even on my Big Mama. Well, I'm going to hold this. Going long here. Again. In this trade. Small stop here on this trade. Let's take me out. I'm done. I can't, pandas. I'm done. I'm so done. I'm just done. So frustrating, pandas. I cannot tell you how frustrating this trading is. Just want to get one good uptrend and get in on the long entries on the uptrend. Cannot get it. I just want one strong uptrend, pandas. Can I get it, please? Just one strong uptrend. It's gonna take me out. I mean, it's a small risk here and potential good move, right? And that's why I like this trade. And regardless if I win it or lose it, I don't regret taking it. It's just super frustrating that I want an uptrend. I'm trying to go long in the uptrend, and it just doesn't go long. It just reverses every time. I can't get any of these traps to work. I can't get any of these. This is so frustrating, pandas. I'm done. I can't do this. So frustrating. It's just so incredibly frustrating. You get an uptrend, and then you go long in the uptrend, and you can't make money. It's just the most frustrating thing ever. You're going with trend, going long, and you cannot make money. It's just... Can I tell you anything more frustrating than that? I don't know. Is there anything more frustrating than that? It's so frustrating, pandas. I'm done here. I'm done. It's getting too choppy now. I just... Whatever. If I get hit, I get hit. Inside bar 5-minute chart. Let's talk about a trap here. So I'm just... Okay, trap triggers. I'll take the failed trap here. One more attempt at this uptrend. One more attempt if we get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only overlapping bars. One more attempt on this uptrend here. Inside bars is getting super choppy. What is this nonsense? What's this absolute nonsense right now? Failed trap here. It's a triangle.
$10,000 tick trap.
Man, that's so freaking frustrating. I cannot tell you how frustrating this is. Oh my goodness, pandas. Can I just catch some momentum here? Jeez. Second entry long uptrend. Cannot even get a second entry long uptrend. I just can't. Pandas. It is what it is. Down 725 today. It's the curse. I'm telling you, it's the curse. It's the payout curse. Black Light Gypsy says, "Oh, with a super chat, appreciate it. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that to fund my new evals. You're the best. Thanks for coming here every day with your major cojones and putting it all out there for all to see. Take it easy this weekend. We love you. Appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. It's just so frustrating. I cannot. Whoo! I'm gonna tilt. I'm about to go max contracts next trade. I don't even care what it is. It's just sick. Sick. Man, I called it too. It's just unfortunate that the news, it had to happen with news. But got tick shot, the tick shot, and then the big mama. I tried to enter here long, again. I did scalp out here, so this one was a break even, but here it actually gets me. Super frustrating. I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. You guys are the best. This is why this is the best community on YouTube, verified. Even though I don't... Oh, so frustrating. Like, can we just get a trend day for once? It just becomes this big down, big up, big down. Daily chart is showing absolute chop for the last 2 weeks. This is why, pandas. This is why I've been break even for the last 2 weeks. Look at this. Look at this trading. Look at this trading. This price action here on the daily chart. It's just so confusing. I gotta learn how to adapt. I gotta learn how to adapt to this. But goodness gracious, pandas, I just cannot. It all started with the tick shot. The tick shot heard around the world. Goodness gracious. It's a tick shot. How many points was that too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's only 13 points. It's not even 20 points. It's okay. We'll make it back, pandas. We'll make it back. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna read some of your comments because you guys are awesome. Jessica says, I think the markets are just tired overall. Talking on a daily basis looks bullish, but just may not have much left. Just my opinion, I need a pullback. Turtle's in it, but he got out before it dropped. Smart man you are. Smart man you are. Second entry long forming on the 10,000 tick chart. I don't trust anything right now. Kellyanne says, probably call it a day if you're on tilt. Alright, Cruz couldn't scalp ES, but made NQ. Whole market's just become Powell junkies. Yeah. Turtles, we love you, Panda. Appreciate it. Obviously, agree with everyone. Alright. Too much FOMO. Have a good weekend, all. GG's. Appreciate everyone. I do appreciate everyone's kind words. You guys are just the best. Jeez. It's trap trade here, huh? Okay. Okay. Second entry short forming here. I don't know. Maybe trap trade 10K chart. At this point, who knows? We're still bullish on the 5-minute chart, amazingly. Right, even with the strong bear move, 3 legs down, we're still above the 20 EMA. No problem. The 5-minute traders can shake that off easily. They can enter long at the 20-minute. Maybe after this bar, they come out, though. Strong bear bar.
Tick trap.
Big bounce off the 20 EMA. Maybe I'll take a trap here. I don't know. Second entry short here. I'm going to take one more trap trade, pandas. It's not going to be pretty. I'll tell you that right now. This could be the one that hurts. Elephant Trade says, don't revenge trade. It's too late. I'm in maximum revenge mode. If they see a trap trade here, pandas, it is GG's. I'm going all in. Let's take 3 contracts here. Trap trade. Forget it. 3 contracts. Cancel. Cancel that trade right now. Goodness gracious, what in the world? Trap trade on 10K chart. We're just above the 20 EMA on the 5 minutes, so I'm not expecting too much here, but we'll see. Trap on the 10K chart. Could be a good reversal.
Tick trap.
I don't trust it, though. I don't trust anything. I just trust my pure emotions right now. That's all I trust. Oh, I should get out. I should just close the charts down, pandas. I should just close. Hey, let me tilt trade for you guys. Let me tilt trade for you guys, so you guys don't have to tilt trade. I'll tilt trade on your behalf. Just watch. You're welcome. Goodness, it's the curse, the payout curse. Second entry long. Trap trigger is on the 10K chart. Looks like it's getting sideways now. Going sideways. I'm not going to go short if we're above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I do not go short. The 20 EMA can act too much as a support here on the 5-minute. Our 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart. 20 EMA can always act as support. Never go short when you're above the 20 EMA, in my opinion, because you can always bounce off, just like you saw here, big bounce off the 20 EMA. The price action is very clear that bulls are here waiting limit orders. Amazingly enough, pandas, can you believe it? This gap is still here. Where I got tick shotted. This gap is still alive. Alive and well. Albert M.O. coming with the reasonability. I understand that you're pretty frustrated, but each of your accounts are still up 1,000 from scratch, meaning you're doing very good. Actually, it's so true. I don't care. That's how crazy it is. I just don't care. I'm up 1,000. I should be fine. Virtually no threshold though, because we already are on static thresholds here. Completely sideways and choppy. I got like 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So frustrating, pandas. This gap looks like it's going to be filled now. Gap filled, finally. Big push down. Nasty push down here. There is news again at 11. Jerome Powell speaking at 11. Guys, I hope you guys are doing better than me. Just absolutely ridiculous. Iron Cruz, one more trade, Panda. That Porsche GT3 RS is calling your name. Kelly S says, have a great weekend all. Downside target ES 455, 45, 55, 25. Trade safe. Hope you cover for the weekend, Panda. Strong bear bar closing beneath the 20 minute now on the 5-minute chart, looking for follow through. Absolute chop inside bar created. Pause bar on the 10K chart. It's melting down now. Okay. Wacky day today. Let's see what happens. People selling the close on the 5-minute chart. Right, 5-minute chart basically, right when this bar closes, they just sold the close. You can see with the gap here, and it just fills the gap. That one tick, it already makes what 1, 2, 3 points. Sell the close right now on the 5-minute chart. Second entry long potentially on the 5-minute as well. Right, 5-minute chart could be second entry long, but we're beneath the 20 MA at this point.
10,000 tick trap.
Kind of retesting this area here, this high. It breaks out of it. It's high. If this is a big trading range, then this is at the bottom of the trading range. 10,000 tick chart and 5-minute chart show the trading range, right? 10,000 tick chart showing the trading range like this. 5-minute chart showing the trading range like this. Avalon, $80 away from passing my eval. Congratulations. Huge bull bar on the 5-minute chart right now. Right, creating a second entry long here in the 5-minute. Just V bottoms. Like, just no entry, just a V bottom here. Maybe fail second entry short here. Might be a good setup. Undershoot, overshoot, break a trend, new low. Second entry long triggers, 5-minute chart. Incredible. Just sick. This is your signal bar though, outside bar on the 5-minute chart. It's just sick. I cannot take a long there. Risk is too big, and the signal bar is too bad, but it's above the 20 EMA now. I may take a trap trade here though. Right? As confluence with the 5-minute chart. And if we're in a big trading range, the big trading range could be something like this. Come back to the top of the trading range. 5-minute might turn always in long here somehow. Absolutely incredible if it does. After just one strong bull bar. Imagine 5-minute traders buying here at the close. If they see this, they're coming in long, trying to come up break even with this entry up here. I have no entry though. I need a fail second entry short. I need something that I can't just enter here. Doesn't make sense. No entry here. It's just a massive move up. V bottom at the bottom of the trading range. Now it's a little bit too far away for a fail second entry short. Oh my gosh. You can't even get in. Can't even get in here. You can't even get in this now. Just V bottoms. Sick. I was looking for a reversal, but unfortunately, the market's giving us nothing. If anything, I gotta wait for a second entry long here at this point. I cannot take a failed trap or fail second entry short. It's just too far to 20 minute. I have to wait for this setup here, A, B, C. That's my only setup at this point. It's just too far away. Creating potential double top here. See this double top? Especially when it goes up like this to it. And then reverses sharply off of it. Makes you wonder. if it's a double top or not. Trap trade here, too far away from 20 MA, unfortunately. If you're super eager, you can enter long here, but you got, you know, double top risks. This looks like a bull leg in a trading range. Remember, the 5-minute chart still pretty bullish. Only one close beneath the 20 MA so far. Goodness gracious. The trading range indicator on the 2000 tick chart showing trading range now. Right, basically double top here. Big push down. Still a trap trade, potentially, you could take it. Trap trade here? I don't know. It looks like a double top to me here, but yeah, it doesn't look good. Trap trigger is on the 5-minute chart, but it's above the 20 MA. YL, I just took a massive doo-doo. Felt like a 20-point runner. So satisfying. Thank you. Thank you for the information. Very helpful for all the traders here. Very, very helpful. Trap does trigger here. It's not one I'm really looking for at this point. I'm more interested in the fail trap on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, Powell speaking at 11. Hoodies, I should really get on that. It's so busy though. I've been thinking about a brand for a long time. I want to make an actual like clothes brand, not just like merch for the channel, but I actually want to make something wearable for anyone, everyone and anyone. I'll take a second entry long here, pandas. It'll coincide with the failed trap on the 5-minute, I think. But let's see if we get it. I don't know. I doubt we'll get the setup. I really doubt we'll get the setup that I want. I may just go long on the 5-minute chart at the close of the bar. Yeah, that's what people did. Just buying the close of the 5-minute candle. I'm too scared for that though. I want to wait for my setup here. Give me a second entry long, pandas. I'm gonna go heavy. We don't get it. We don't get the second entry long. We do not get the second entry long. Here's a micro double bottom instead. It is what it is.
10,000 tick trap.
It is what it is. I can't take a trade here. I wanted the second entry long. Don't get it. Move on. Gives you a micro double bottom instead. And this is gonna probably blast off here. Still interested in that second entry long here. If we can get it. I doubt we'll get it though. I really doubt it. Triple test of this top of this range here. It looks like an inverse head and shoulders. And I'll try to take it with a trap if we can get it. Second entry long, right? It's a Pikachu trade here. Pikachu trade. Let's try. Let's try. Let's see what happens here.
10,000 tick trap.
Second entry long here in this trade. Let's see. Already feels like a mistake. Already feels like a mistake. Think he'll come out with that Pikachu. Right, Pikachu here. Right at a crucial breakout point. 5 minutes, looking very bullish too. No joy in the Pikachu. See if we get 2 points. It's a 1-to-1 risk reward. So defeated right now. I'm just so defeated. Yep, it's gonna get me. Can't win a trade. Cannot win a trade, pandas. I'm done. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully these accounts are still alive, and if they're not, then oh wells. Oh wells. I'll see you guys next week. Have an amazing weekend, pandas. And as always, happy trading. God bless. I'm so tilted. Bye.